I want to see that clip. You!
Who?
You!
I haven't
You!
got the gun.
You! Ek is nie bang vir jou.
I haven't
Hoor jy
got
my?
the
Ek is nie
gun.
bang vir julle.
I haven't got
Ek is
the
nie
gun.
bang vir julle polisie.
I haven't got the
Ek is
gun.
nie bang vir julle. Ek is nie. Jou poes man. Jou poes. Jou poes.
Ons nie bang vir jou
Ek is nie
nie.
bang vir jou.
Ons nie bang vir jou nie.
Jou fucking hart. Jou fucking hart.
I want the man arrested now. I
Hey,
want
who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
I'm God.
Who are you? Fucking God one. Just a pink racist man. Just not a poos. Just a fucking man. Gorgeous. Hey, come. Come. You must have push work. Your push thing.
That guy must be arrested. That guy must be arrested. No.
I want to know what's going on. Why did you hit me with that gun? Hey, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh.
You hate him. You hate him out.
What?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come, let's go.
Fucking man.
Let's go.
What else do you think I can? 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 Why do you come to me with your gun? Why do you come to me with your gun? Hey, you pull out the gun, here's the gun. Why do you come to me with your gun? Hey, why do you come to me with your gun? Hey, why do you come to me with your gun?
Calm down.
What did you see that? Did you see that? She said, let's go. Let's go. Just pull out the gun.
Alright, she's allowed to carry a firearm. She's allowed. According to law, she is allowed.
I'm the owner.
We're not necessarily to scream.